Okay, it's time to replace this door moldings. The car came without this piece completely missing. I guess car wash or something yanked it off, broke the rain deflector in the process, and God only knows what happened here. So I'm replacing both of these. For some unknown reason, these things are hard to come by. I don't get it. You can order them new. It's like $50 for this thing. I got this and replacement piece for this for like $9 at the junkyard. I got real lucky, because if you happen to find one of these, this is almost always gone. You never see these again. So I'm going to install this thing now. Hopefully it won't give me a hard time. Got 2 screws, one right here. I'll do him first. Hey, no ratchet. Well, of course the door goes the opposite direction. Come here. Okay, hang out there. This one is for the trim piece. Hang out there. Alright. Got the broken piece right here. This trim piece should just slide out. Should just slide out. There we go. Alright. Slide this guy in. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Nope, this is going to require 2. Okay, I got it slid completely down. Okay. Lined up right there. Let's get the side molding in. Come on. Here we go. I'm gonna need 2 hands again. This is not a 2-handed job. Oh yeah, it's going to be one. Okay, there we go. Another 100% in. Let's have a look. Close enough. This is about as good as this trim work's going to get. Might do a little touch up here to make this blend in a little bit better, but it's not moving, so I'll work that out. And as we progress, I have cleaned the engine compartment and reinstalled the headlights, as well as blacked out the bottom. You'll see this better once I get the car fully detailed. But under the hood is done. No armor on, nothing special, just a little bit of super clean, a little hose down, and that's all it took to get it clean again. It's not super clean, but it's clean enough. Doesn't look bad. I will continue on with this project. Like, share, and subscribe to see more when it comes out.